There we go, we've got all prepared. These are our lights. We've got negative and positive. In, slide them to the ports, make sure they're nice and secure, lock them in place, it's fine. Always check it and double check it. Don't want any loose connections later. Make sure they do sit in properly. It's nice and secure. Next one is the battery. Negative. Battery, it's negative, that's nice and secure. It's positive, make sure that goes in place. Yeah, always check and double check it. Plug in the battery, make sure it works fine. There's our controller, that came on. Our lights, if you can see, there, down the bottom, got a little control light over there to tell me it's working. Right, now the battery's working, plug the battery, it's our panel, it's our positive. That didn't catch it. That's a negative. Positive. There we go. Loosen that screw that holds in place. Plug it in, ready? We know that the battery's working. So look, sunlight, there's not really enough at the moment, so I can't really tell if it's charging or not. But if the connections are right, should find out tomorrow if it's working. Fire up. There we go. The lights are on. Now I'll take you through the settings. The voltage it's showing now, it's a voltage at which the battery is at the moment now. Then by pressing this button, go through the settings. That's your maximum voltage. That's as high as your voltage as your battery will charge to. Usually you'll see on your battery will tell you cyclic use, standby use, or with what's the maximum you should operate at. This one, we're using a cycling use, it's between 14.1 and 14.4, because 14.2. That 12.6 volt, it's the voltage when it's going to transfer onto the light. Then your minimum voltage at which you would like the light to switch off, we've set up as 11.2 because we don't want to go any lower for this battery. Then how long the lights will stay on after coming on, it's 1 hour, and that's the type of the battery. There we go, and that's it, that's all set and ready. Obviously now it's getting dark, so the lights have come on, but that's all. Oh, the solar panel definitely works, because right now it detected that there is enough ambient light around for the light not to be on. So it's not charging. If it was charging, there would have been a little solar panel symbol on the screen, but because it's not light enough, it stopped charging now. So you stay at this until it goes dark enough, then the lights will come on, then in the morning we'll switch back onto solar panel and start charging it. This controller is actually quite good. It comes with 2 USB 5V charging ports. Obviously controller switches off. He operates at 12V with the battery and then changes it to 5V if you want to use an USB charger. That's it. Thank you very much. Have fun, try to do it yourself. It's really simple.